Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the basics of using Snap Camera on your computer in order to use face filters during Zoom meetings, Google meetings, Skype meetings, anywhere where you use your webcam, you can use face filters now. So without further ado, let's get into the process. The first thing we're going to want to do is install Snap Camera onto our computer. Make sure that our camera is feeding into Snap Camera, and then we want to make sure that Snap Camera is showing up as an option for our chosen video communication software. So the first thing we do is we go to snapcamera.snapchat.com. The link should also be in the description. We go to download. We're given a page with system requirements, a license agreement. Just agree to that. You don't have to put your email in this, but you need to prove to them that you're not a robot, unless you are a robot. And then download for your PC. Save it in a place that makes sense to you. Once that's finished downloading, we're going to want to open the file. We'll walk you through the setup. Now once Snap Camera is finished downloading, you're going to want to select Launch Snap Camera and then Finish to exit the setup. So you can treat this basically like your dashboard for Snap Camera. If you wanted to change a specific filter you're using while in your application, you can always go back to the Snap Camera application. With the Snap Camera application closed, we can also open it by clicking this caret icon and joining that way. And we notice right now that after opening the Snap Camera application, it'll always be running in the background. So if you notice a drop in performance on your computer, or if you wanted to just use your normal webcam without a filter, you can always go to the Snap Camera application from the Systems tray, right-click the icon, and quit. You can also access the Snap Camera from typing into your search bar, and there should also be a shortcut that was generated for you during the install process. So now that we have our Snap Camera, we can go through the lenses and see the ones that work for us. There was one I was using at the beginning of this. It's a pyramid head. Alright, so I want to use this filter, and I think this filter makes me look nice, and I want to use this filter in a Zoom or a Google Meet. So how do I do that? To check if your face filter is on, open a new session in Google Meet. You may notice when you open your video communication software that the camera is failing, and this is because your webcam is feeding into the Snap Camera application. You can check which camera is being used here, and you just want to make sure that in Snap Camera that you're feeding the right webcam into this parameter right here. So with that assured, we can go to Google Meet, we can go to Settings, Video, and we can change to Snap Camera. Now you're ready to join your meeting with your filter on? Alright, this also works for Zoom meetings. Just make sure that Snap Camera is selected from this menu. Start your video, and there you are. You're in your Zoom meeting and you have your face filter on. And that's how you get your webcam set up to use face filters during web conferences.